weightless, the feelings all inside here, denied here. I know that if we try, you and I will find a way to fight it.
Alright, I think we'll go ahead and get started here. How's everybody doing tonight? As the title says, we are going to be working on some Discord bots, maybe just one. I don't know, I was hoping for some suggestions. I didn't really get anything. Apart from Will, who wanted me to, let me find it, who wanted me to, quote, make a bonk chat bot that sends the bonk when people get horny on main, and then bonks him when he says something bad. So basically, Will's messages would all be bonked, and so would everybody else. No, I don't think we're gonna do that. I think for this, I'm gonna do something that takes and stores quotes, so people can add quotes either through the, well, I'll figure out how to do that with the chat. Actually, how to make a Twitch chat bot, which I'll pull up the Twitch API a bit later. But basically, just pulling quotes, it'll store the quotes, and send them out. Send out a random quote or something. I think that'd be nice to have on the server, or maybe, I don't know, just something to have quotes stored when they were put in and whatnot. So yeah, let me switch over to here. Let me zoom in. Oh, I can't. Okay, I can't increase my text size. Sorry, that's about all you got. Let me see if I can't make it bigger in the... Okay, so I think, okay. Yeah, there we go, we'll do that. It's a bit better. That might be too big. There we go. Now it's pretty big, it should be readable. This is... Dang it, I forgot you can't have... can't have separate windows for each thing.
Holy shit! We'll always
Thank you, Will.
I can't believe you did this to me, God damn it! How could you do this to me?
Alright, looks like we got Ellie with us today. We'll see how long she decides she wants to stay in here. We'll see how much of a problem she causes. Yes, a baby. She's a brat is what she is. You're a brat, yes you are. Alright, stay on my shoulder. Stay on my shoulder. Alright. So, I was opening up another project just to kind of see how I did stuff previously. I'm actually going to open it over on a second screen. Ow! Okay, bye, Ellie. Ow! Clawed me all the way down. Jesus. I'm going to open it on a second screen because it does have my bot API, my bot codes in there for Discord, so I don't want those on stream. I just need to find them. Documents, GitHub, Discord bots. There we go. Alright, module exports, and then the thing, which I think is what I'm doing here. And then in there, I am doing... Okay. So, this is just so that I don't have to show my, my actual token on stream, because I don't want that to be shown for logical reasons. But I will go ahead and get set up, get myself a Discord developer portal, get that opened up, and then we can kind of get going. Give me a second to log in. Apparently I don't have my Discord information stored in LastPass. So I just have to log in with the QR code. Okay. We're in. But how's everybody doing tonight? Good to see everybody in chat. Hope y'all are having a good night. Mine's been pretty calm. Went over and had dinner with my parents, and then went out for a drive because it's actually been nice. These past couple of days, it's been pretty nice out. So, been trying to get out and go driving, get that nice Ohio air under my nose, in my lungs. Oh, this is the name of the application. This is going to be Stream Quotes. And if anybody has any suggestions while they're here in chat, feel free to leave them. Maybe we can do a couple more. Like I said, the only thing I really have planned is just to do a bot that stores messages. Probably store it in just JSON in the project itself. And then probably do something with the Twitch API so that I actually set it up as like a chatbot. But that's about it. After I'm done with that, if nobody else has any ideas of something they'd like to see, I'll probably switch over to the Max project in Unity. Because I was just thinking today that I really need to get some work done on that. I've been doing other stuff with the engine, and I haven't really touched the actual Unity project in a while. So it's probably time we get back into that. So I'll get into that a little bit later tonight. I'm going to move this over really quick so I can copy my secret code in there. And then now we're going to close that and never open it again on stream. Because if I open it, the world could explode. And nobody wants that. What did I have? Oh, JavaScript modules. I was like, what I have on internet? Was I like on Twitter or something? No, because I tweeted before I went live, and I was like, I don't think I want everybody going through my Twitter feed. But it's okay. It was just me not knowing how to use JavaScript. Go figure. I don't know how to use any language I'm ever using. All right. So while I have this actually open behind me, let me open the Discord.js docs. Hello, Cubics. How you doing? Good to see you. Thank you for stopping by. Open the Discord.js documentation. Look at that little drawing. Love that guy. That is an exceptional, awesome piece of artwork. But this has a lot of stuff in it. So I've barely touched it. I made a stupid little message encryption bot that Cody and I wanted to use for the Astroneer stuff when we were playing Astroneer. We never really did get to use it. We didn't play Astroneer much after that, but it was kind of a dumb little encryption bot. We'd send messages, they would get encrypted onto the channel, and then you would send a command to decrypt them, and you would get the decrypted message back privately. It was fun. I enjoyed doing that one, but there's a whole lot on here that we can do. So it would be interesting. I know Landon at one point wanted to do a Discord bot that basically anytime I spoke or said something stupid, it would kick me out. So maybe something to look into at some point. Maybe something that checks out the voice channels, see what's going on in there, and messes with people in there. I don't know, but it'd be fun. So yeah, this is this. I'll have this open. I will also open the Twitch API. I don't know if I got the I in there. I didn't. Twitch API. And we'll kind of see what we can do with this. but not at the moment. At the moment, we will drop this, and I'll kind of give a brief rundown of what this is. So, starting from the top, we have const discord equals require discord.js. This is just requiring the discord.js node module so that we can use it, creating a constant of that. Oh, God, sorry. Creating a constant of that module so that we don't have to keep requiring it. We just reference it once as a constant, and then we're done. Constant client equals new discord.client. We're accessing the client server, basically. Token is our client token, our secret code that we need for this all to work. And that's in that secret.js file. And then client.onReady, this is basically when the bot starts. It'll just log a message saying Discord bot initialized successfully. That's just to let me know, hey, I started. So at least if there's a problem, I know it started correctly. Client.onMessage, and then a function lambda taking in message as a parameter. This is just when a message is sent, this will respond. This event will fire. And we want to check that the token is not empty, but if it is, we're just going to return and break out of this function. If it's not, we don't want the bot to respond to itself. So if the message.author is the client.user is the bot, then we return. Otherwise, we just say hello world if a message is sent. And then we tell the client to actually log in with our token. And that's it. That's all it takes. So I'm going to go back into the developer portal. And I need to remember how to add this to the okay, there we go. It's been a minute since I've done this. I apologize. So I've created the bot. The bot will have no privileges. I take that back. It'll have the permission to send messages and to read messages. I'm trying to remember how to actually add this to Discord. Where does one write all this fun stuff? I am using Visual Studio Code. It's just a nice lightweight Visual Studio text editor. I've got a little project that I copy. So actually if I open this in File Explorer, I just have a nice little template that I can copy and use. It's got everything all set up for me, so I can just go in and edit it later. But yeah, I do everything in Visual Studio Code using the discord.js library. And then, oh, I did not want to switch. Oops. And then if you're wanting to actually add them, you would do that on the Discord developer portal, which is here. I'm doing all the Discord developer portal stuff off screen so that I don't show all of my app information and be dumb. I'm going to go into my test server so I can figure out how to add this bot. Let me... How to add bot. Cool. Neat. That's not what I want. God, how do I do this? I apologize. I should have been a little bit more prepared. Let me go look at one that is in a server and kind of see. Okay. There we go. That's what I want. Okay, and then I want the client ID. There we go. That's the wrong bot, though. God damn it. Okay. Got it. I apologize again. I'm sorry. I was not prepared. There we go. Select a server. Test server, because I don't want this blowing up the main server. That would be annoying for people. Awesome. Okay. So now if I pull up the test server... good. My stream remote's enabled. I can move this over here. You can see I've got 3 bots in here. This is the encryption one I was talking about. This is a Magic the Gathering bot I worked on that I can, look up from the Scryfall API. And then this is the one we're currently working on, the stream quotes. So now I got that out of the way. Let's get started. Again, I apologize. Ooh, Mtg Bot, nice. Yeah, I might go back and work on that one a little bit. That one was pretty fun to make. The whole API is online if you're interested. It is the Scryfall.com. Scryfall.com is the website for the whole thing. And you can just look up magic cards. It's really cool. But not what we're worried about right now. Magic Bot? Maybe we are worried about the Magic Bot right now. maybe I'm switching. Maybe we're switching tracks and going to the Magic Bot. Let me pull it up. I'll pull it up. New window. File. Open folder. Documents. GitHub. Discord bots. Mtg Bot. Select folder. No. I was asking if that's what the bot is. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's what the bot is. Is a Magic the Gathering bot. So, like, Scry.js just has a quick little module I have for accessing the Scryfall library and functions to do that. So I can kind of keep my code tidy. And then bot.js is the same bot code we've seen before. Basically, all it does is waits for a message that has exclamation point string in it, and then it will take the rest of that and send a search out to the API saying, hey, does this card exist? And how many did you find? And all that kind of good stuff. I'm not running it right now, but Yeah, that's what it does. I was pretty happy with this one. There's more I could do with this one. There's more I could do with that whole API. I want to set up some sort of cataloging app for my own personal paper cards. That's what got me. That's what I found that API for, was so I could do stuff with that. But yeah, it'd be nice to hop in and do something with that again at some point. Okay, so here's the Earth. We're going to create a new file. We're just going to call this quotes.json. Our quotes are going to have a quote. They're going to have a cars are cool. Cars are cool. I think. I suppose. Cards. Okay. Yeah, cards are cool. Honestly, that's been the worst thing for this pandemic, is that I just can't play Paper Magic anymore. And I've really been missing it. I enjoy playing Magic. I haven't played it in a spell. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do when this pandemic's over. I'm just going to go fucking play Magic with people. Right after I'm just done hugging and licking everyone's faces. I think I'll play Magic. What are these noises? Oh, it's fucking Blizzard. Get out of here. It's fun time. It is a fun time. We'll put the user in here just to say who entered it, maybe. Or maybe just a date. These will all be strings, just so I'm not worried too much about parsing data. Especially this date. Like, it would just be a nice, soft string of, like, the format down here. Just because I don't want to worry too much about parsing. That would be annoying. I'm not storing this in a database or anything. I'm just storing this in a JSON text file, so it's no big deal. So, like, for instance, we'll just put one in there right off the bat. We'll say, I will shit on the floor. User, think, link 99. Date. Who knows when I said that? We can either do the date as entered date or a set date. For right now, we'll just leave one in there. It doesn't matter too much. But that'll be kind of the idea of what that is. So our bot then, we're gonna do something. We're gonna do similar to the Mtg Bot. So we want to check 4/20/69/2020. There's the new date. Perfect. 4/20. Oh. 4/20/69/2020. So if message dot content, yeah, look at me remembering shit. Dot substring. Why are there 3 different methods for substring? That's interesting. We'll just say, oh no, an idiot's quote bot. Oh yes, an idiot's quote bot. That actually could be better. So instead of user, go away, Blizzard. No, I didn't want to open that. I did not want to open you back up. I want you to go away. Disable sound, at least. How do I pause updates? I don't want anything. No! 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 God damn it, Blizzard. Alright, so we can just have to say person. So the person who said it, then, rather. So our content.substring, we want to look for part of the message. We'll probably do something simple, so quote with an exclamation point. That way people, like, it doesn't just pick up something random in a message and then send a random quote. Because Cody made one that anytime he said no, it would just say, I don't even remember, but it was it was a quote from, it was like, that was another type of quote bot. But anytime you said shit, it would respond with, I will shit on the floor. And then anytime you said no, it would just repeat no. And that was it. That got really annoying after a while. But if our message contains quote, then we're going to do stuff. Otherwise, we're done. The stuff we're going to do is actually going to use this message.channel.send. So in the channel we requested a quote, it will send us it'll send a message. Now, since since we have in there the person who said it, we could also do something, say check for a parameter, essentially. So if actually I want this to be includes, and then I want to say if message dot content dot substring, and then I want the start, which would be position 5, position 6. So if that substring is not equal to an empty string, then we'll say var person is equal to empty string. We'll say person is equal to that. Actually, we'll do this. Makes a little bit more sense to do it this way. What am I getting updates on my phone for? Go away, Reddit. Okay. So if the person is not equal to empty string, look for quotes made or from this person. So we would want to pull in our list of quotes. So we'll say var quotes is equal to json.parse let me see if there's a way to read to a file real quick. JS read from read file. Yep, that's what I want. So I need the FS module. Fair enough, I can get that really quick. Why do all this work when your good friend Large Cat is making the coolest one? I don't know. I guess that's a great question. Why would I do all this work when my friend Large Cat's making the coolest one? What are you working on, Large Cat? We're gonna get npm FS. Discord bot and Twitch bot with integration from both. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's what I want to do with this, obviously, is like I would have the Discord bot as well as the Twitch bot, so like or Twitch chat bot rather. So you could like set stuff to it, and soonish will implement YouTube API as well. Nice. So just like I guess like, what's the bot for then? Just a general. I don't even know what I'm asking. Like what do you plan to use the bot for? Since you have all the different integrations. To destroy Me 6. That's okay, that's what I figured. It was like a Me 6 replacement. Gotcha. And to promote streamers and every feature I can make on it, really. Fair enough. That's pretty cool. I didn't realize YouTube had a YouTube API, so I'll have to look into that as well to kind of work to look into that, because I do use my YouTube channel, so it'd be nice to kind of get updates from that and send them in. I think it does. I haven't researched. Fair enough. I would be surprised to find out not, just because it's Google, and Google's very all in on open source. So I'd be shocked to find out that they don't have an API. I want to show when people post new VODs. Yeah, exactly. That's what I would kind of do too. Yeah, that's cool. That's awesome. You should definitely. Do you have that anywhere? Like anywhere you post updates about it? Because I would definitely be interested in keeping up with that. Fuck Me 6. All my homies hate Me 6. Will says. Yeah, I tend to agree. I mean, it's good, but it is pretty chunky as a bot goes. I can post a link if you're okay. Yeah, go ahead. Absolutely. Fair warning, I probably won't go very far on this tonight. I thought about working on the Max project tonight, and I'm like, ooh, I kind of want to do that. Kind of want to get back into doing Unity a little bit. So we'll see how long I end up working on this. Ooh, go away. Hold on. All of my shit just like, there we go. Okay. I get that. It's hard to stay on some bot stuff. Yeah, I mean, it's just, my worry is that it's not going to be able to hold my interest enough to, to keep streaming. Okay. Very cool. Thank you for the link. I will definitely be keeping up on that, because that's awesome. Plus, I love to keep up with. Nice. Already got a shout out. Hell yeah! Look at me go. All right. So I'm trying to get this. Apparently, I don't know how to import a library to JavaScript, which I do, but it's not. Do I just say require FS? Is that? Let me just copy this line and see if that works for me. And what did they do? fs.read file. Cool. And then you send it a callback function. Okay. I can do that. Oh, I forget that. I think so. That sounds right. Was that me talking about doing this? I blanked out on everything I said, so you should play the match game in text games. Yeah, they're required. Okay. Hold on, let me go look at this. Let me go see what's up. Tech games. I'll take a look. I'll just go through that in a bit and see see what's up with that math game. I was like, I see numbers in here and division. I don't see matching. I was promised matching, and now I have to use my brain. Okay. So we want to do fs dot. Awesome. Okay, so it did work because it's giving me this. Cool. Sorry, I forgot I didn't have instructions. Oh, I will get that added. It's all good. It's all good. So my path is going to be... it's just going to be quotes.json. And then we're going to say this, and then do that, and then figure out what the fuck... I'm going to close the Magic the Gathering bot for right now, so I can just click on that and open it. Error and data. If error, throw error, and then console log data. Okay, cool. That's what it returns. That's what I needed to know. Error and data. If error, throw error. And then what I want to do is create var quotes up here, and then we'll say quotes dot push quotes dot push JSON dot parse data, and I'm hoping there's no weird. I'm hoping it's just the data as is, and I don't have to do anything funky. But we'll see. Somebody just started a fire somewhere. I can smell it. That was nice. Like, so driving around, I was driving down with my windows down and everything. It's been nice enough, not too cold. And there was people out having bonfires and shit. It smells so good. Love a good bonfire. So what is your bot for? This bot is gonna be for just storing quotes. Similar to you, I know Me6 can do it, but I want to do it myself. But this bot is gonna be just for storing quotes that people say, so we can people can add them in and then retrieve a random quote. What are you using for storage? Just a JSON file. Simple enough. It can access it while it's running. Don't need to do anything fancy. We'll do a console.log of quotes after that, just to make sure everything worked. Just saw JSON. I just upgraded to SQLite myself. Don't have quotes done yet. I have to look into SQLite. I have seen, like, I personally like JSON, but I definitely do need to check out SQLite just to see if I like it any better. Didn't know Me6 had it. So, like, I guess it's like a custom command or something. I know Maggie, Trash Mango, did it. She set hers up for her server to do that. But I haven't looked too much actually into Me6. I just kind of assumed that that's what she did it through. I could be wrong. Okay. So I just want to right now check, see if it even reads that file correctly. So let's do node bot.js. Excuse me? That's cool. I have a friend who has lifetime sub for Me6, so I'm going to use her for research. There you go. I think that's what I have too. Like, I have the lifetime one, but I will gladly not use it anymore if I don't have to. Handled promise rejection. Oh, the problem with Discord.js. npm, can I do update? And just update everything? Okay, now let's do node bot.js. No. What the heck? I wonder, let me go run one of the other ones real quick. Let me run the Mtg bot, make sure that's... Because this one I know works. I've tested this one in the past, so let me make sure that... make sure it's not something I'm doing. Node bot.js. Okay. Cannot find module secret.js. Okay. That's fine. I would love to help. However, I am not much for JS. Might need your help when I start working on my Vue front end app for the bots. Hope you can help. I don't actually know Vue. Right now my like front end JavaScript is Angular, the Angular library. I haven't done anything with the React or Vue yet. I need to. It's something I need to, but I'm fairly new to the web development stuff, so. Good. Vue is pretty much an easier Angular. Fair enough. Okay. Yeah, then I can definitely help you at least a little bit. Or I can pretend to help you until we both figure it out. Okay, so I did set this up wrong, apparently. Secret equals require secret. Yep, that's... Oh, I don't know what I just opened there. Discord, client, token, FS. I don't know. I don't know what I did. Token invalid. An invalid token was provided. Oh, yeah, and then I did know that. My bad. I did know that, and I meant to change that. Switch over to this real quick. I grabbed the wrong token when I was over on the developer portal. When I was trying to figure out what the fuck I was doing. So bot, token, copy this, paste that in, and then close secret.js. And we can go ahead and open our thing back up. There we go. Now when I try to run it, bot.js. There we go. So now you can see, like I was saying earlier, I have that message. Discord bot initialized successfully. Now if we open up Discord and head over here, it's behind me, hold on. Now you can see stream quotes bot is online, whereas the rest of these are offline. So now if I say, hey, give me quote, hello world, cool, that's what I figured it would do. And if we go over to our console, close Magic the Gathering bot again, so it console logs our list. And good, that's what I wanted to see. So now I have assurance that it will work. So now what I want to do is say, we have our quotes, that's awesome. I'm gonna not log every time right now, just because logging does slow down your program a little bit. So we want to look for quotes from a person if it's there, if it's provided. If not, we will generate a random number based on how many quotes there are. But, well, actually, we'll do that first, because that's going to be the easier one to do. LOL, the amount of prints I have in my Python right now is silly. Oh, I'm really bad about forgetting to take logs back out, in like debug statements like that out. I've got production code for my job that has a lot of console logs in it, and they're just kind of hidden throughout, so it's really hard to just go back and get rid of them, because some of them we need and some of them we don't. So I can't just say, hey, remove all console.logs. I have to actually go back and see which ones I need and which ones I don't. Does JS have something like dictionary, like a map or something? I believe so. JS dictionary. That just makes person lookup really quick, right? Right, so like, we could use the person as a key. Well, we couldn't use the person as a key, because it's a key, but we could do, yeah, I don't know. Well, so obviously the key would mean you have one, right? Like it's a key, you only have one of that value. Keys just can't be mutable, right? I guess that's true, yeah. Select, search, or filter an item. Yeah, okay, that's true. So yeah, we could create a dictionary with the person's name as the key with the quote beside it, and then filter everything down based on that person. So does it grab random of that person? Yes, it would grab a random of that person. So, like if we go back over to the JSON file, so key value is list, or value is array. That could work. That's true. So okay, yeah. So like we would have a key of the person and then an array of all of their quotes. Yeah, that wouldn't be bad. In Python, I would do key value equals toPlay. Yeah, that might work. That's something we could try that actually. So I'll put in something here. We'll do a recent classic. Windmills are a dangerous threat. And this was by our good friend Crunchy Rocks. Which for right now, at least when I'm putting them in, I'm gonna put in their their Twitch names. Absolutely, anybody watching this, go follow Crunchy Rocks on Twitch. I want him to start streaming again. He doesn't right now just because of internet issues, but he has been my streaming partner since I got started. So absolutely go follow him. But now we have two different quotes from two different people, so now we can test that. I'm trying to think. Sorry, my brain kind of shut off there, so I'm just trying to think. We might do that. I'm probably not going to do that quite yet. I think what I will do, because I know there's a link for JS, the C# library link. But I do know how to use link a lot more comfortably, so maybe not though. Maybe I don't remember how I did that, so maybe I won't be doing that either. There we go. Okay, we won't be doing that. I'm just trying to figure out how to handle it. So we have our whole list of data. We can create we'll write a function down here. Create dictionary. And then we'll do var dict is equal to this. And then for I in data, so for I in data, we want to get the we'd probably want to okay, never mind. So we'll be doing this then. So I can say data or shit, no. Dict, and then we'll say data dot person is equal to data dot so I guess it would have to be multi-list kind of thing. No, I guess not. We could say is equal to this. I don't want to do that, actually. Is equal to... oh, I'm trying to think. Dict. Remind me later, thank you. Data.person.push. And then data.quote. Yeah, I think. No, I don't think. Let's just do a console.log of dict. And then we won't return it, we'll just do that. And so we'll say... so instead of using... well, we'll still put quotes in there, it's fine. But we'll also just say create dictionary from data. Don't remember how to terminate a Discord bot. It's Control-C. Okay. That's what I thought. So we'll go ahead and run that again. Discord bot initialized. We're just going to take our message and do it again. Oh, that's not how that works. My bad. Quote. There we go. And then let's check our console. Cannot read property push of undefined. Okay. That's what I thought. That's what I figured was going to happen. So I need a way to say, hey, create a dictionary for... This is probably a lot easier in literally any other language, but JavaScript just makes it a little bit more difficult. And I'm also too stubborn to just learn a whole new language. Let me just look up. Let me see. It's like JS array.all or something like that. Query array for objects with matching predicate. With objects matching predicate. I saw we were dabbling in the arts of praying codeworks. Oh, always. Owlsept. I think I'm saying that right. Owlsept. 100%. We are praying that code works as always on this channel, because it never really seems to work. So, but if you like this kind of content, be sure to give this channel a follow. I've never seen you on the channel before, so I'm trying to be more consistent with the programming stuff. Probably doing programming stuff during the week. As often as I can, and then games on Friday and things like that. I feel that. Yes, correct. Yeah, it's a struggle. It's a struggle every day. Owlstep, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the idiots. All your brain cells belong to us. Greatly appreciate it. Okay, so what I want to do then is say. I came from Large Cat's Discord. Awesome, good to see you. Thank you for stopping by. We're gonna say data.find. Okay, so it does exist. Cool. God, I've been wasting so much time. I should preface that C# is my most well-known language. Everything else, kind of me struggling through it. So. We want to say find where q dot person actually, can I just do select? Can I just say data dot select? No. I know a little Java and C, but mostly Python here. Oh, joke's on you, I'm already low on brain cells. I know a little Java and C, but mostly Python here. Yeah, for me, I know C#. Java I could probably figure out. JavaScript I know just enough to kind of get things working. But that's really about it. Like it's bare minimum ugly code with JavaScript here. God, my keys. Keys were sitting in my pocket and they're just like they were hurting me. What does jQuery have, actually? I haven't gotten jQuery yet. jQuery might help me, now that I think about it. Java was the biggest waste of time for me in college, and I didn't care enough about C to pay attention. Whoops. I'm gonna be honest, at 100%. I 100% agree. For my associates, I had to learn Java for mobile app development. And I don't think I actually ever learned anything. I just kind of copied what was in the book and changed it up. That's about it. That's about as much as I learned. And then for my bachelor's, the courses I took at my college were C++ based. I have no problem with C++. I do need to learn C++, but the way they were teaching it, I was not interested. So I just kind of tuned off on that one. So I know the feeling. I 100% know the feeling. So I'm looking for like a select or a... So this is find. Does it have a... That has. That might be something. No, nothing for select. Maybe map might be what I want. I just saw my trash can move, and I'm pretty sure it means it's about to fall over. Use jQuery to select all objects in array that contain a certain value. Filter. That's what I want, was the filter. So if we do filter, and say we just return this, BRB, but keep up the good work. All right, thank you for stopping by. If I don't talk to you again, let's run this again. Initialize successfully. Let's open up our Discord. Let's say, give me quote. And then check our code here. Buffer. Bummer. So let's check out what we did wrong. So the filter method is... So filter function element, return element dot to lowercase dot index of search term. Let me... data.filter. function that accepts up to 3 arguments. Filter method calls the predicate function one time for each element in the array. Returns the elements of an array that meet the condition specified in a callback function. Okay, so I want to say then function function elem. So we'll probably say function quote, right? And then say return quote dot person. I'm so glad ThinkLink came to the Discord. I am too. I will have to check it out. I honestly have been lacking on like getting in touch in different programming communities, so I'm super happy. I definitely will be checking that out and hanging out in there as best as possible. Okay, so let's check this again. Still buffer. Why? What am I doing wrong? Everything. Oh God, I've wasted 6 years of my life on programming. Oh, and I can't even do anything. Eller's is only kind of programming community, but we do game and other things, so we can do it all. Soon we'll have temporary private channels upon request. Fair enough. That's kind of how mine is. There's been a should have been a link going through. No, there hasn't. Interesting. Nightbot's taken, or StreamElm's taking the night off tonight, I guess. So there it is. Yep. Thank you. Yeah, so that's kind of how ours is. Some of us are programmers, some of us just are there to play games. It's my stream community server, but there are channels for computer stuff. So just do a quick look through that. There we have the computer stuff channel, and usually it's just me kind of posting code in there, but yeah, feel free to join. You might have already actually. Yes, you did. All right. Let's, for right now, let's just say var people, and let's just do people.push quote.people. And then instead of saying console.log, we'll just say ew, I see a Me6. I do use Me6. I'm sorry. I apologize for that. I realize you have a vendetta against Me6. Don't worry, we can fix that. Right, Alice Web? Hey, there you go. If you guys can, you guys get that bot done, I'll gladly use it. Alright. So let's run this again. And that way I don't have to keep sending a message for this to work. I'm just gonna we're gonna write another little function down here just called function get quotes. Put that there. And then we will say, oh, hello. Interesting, that's not what I wanted. Okay, I don't want all of my Git changes to be shown right now. Thank you. On ready, we'll just call get quotes. That way I just have it as soon as the bot loads up. Damn it. There we go. Jesus Christ, okay. So let's do a clear real quick. CLS, and then there we go. 173 items. That's not what I want. I should have at most 2. What did I do wrong? Uh-oh. You know what? I knew this was going to be difficult. Let's not do this real quick. Let's not do this one. Let's just say, instead of, let's put this one on the back burner, and we will do instead function get random quote. Because I don't. I knew that selecting it on the person specifically was going to be a lot more work. Okay, so I need to look up how to set up. Okay, so I need to look up how to set up the dictionary in JS and send to you later. I mean, yeah, I'll look it up afterwards. I will definitely do more research on dictionaries in JSON or in JavaScript off camera. But I don't like doing all that stuff on camera because it's just me going blankly staring at the other monitors. So it's a little bit more boring to watch. But I will definitely do that off camera. So for get random quote, we just need to do a random number. JSON or JSON. JavaScript does have a random number library, JS random. I believe. Yeah, it's just a random method. Okay. Math.random. Okay. That is what I thought. And then it just takes in. Oh, returns a random number from 0, but not to 1. So it's 0 to 1, 1 being exclusive. So I want to say var count is equal to, we'll take in data, we'll say data.len. Oh, dang it. That is all I do, except I show it all on stream. Haha. That's fair. Figure out how to steal that and use it. Oh, is this the... Yeah. I was like, this is the quantum random number generator, isn't it? Or is this a whole new one? Because I know the, what is it, the University of... quantum random... There's like a university somewhere that has the... ANU, that's what it is. My brain cell was pronounced dead at 5:42 Eastern Standard Time. Let's remember his legacy. B Python, I'm so sorry. I feel like I've been on this journey of you trying to find your brain cell. I'm so sorry this is how it ended up. My thoughts are with you during these trying times. But yeah, here's the this is the ANU quantum number generator. Time to make a game about that. Let's go. True. He was the one to press the Math Man Marcus Epic Poggers, but instead of saying math, he said demonetized. Fair enough. Fair enough. So we have our count is equal to our data.length, and then we'll say var I for our index. Well, we'll call it index. We'll write it out. Is equal to math.random times count. So obviously it's between 0 and 1. So we want to multiply it by our count to get between 0 and our count. Rest in peace. I worked in a math lab. It was a good job, but it was in a drug town, and people always thought I said something else. That's fair. That oof, that's rough, buddy. Day 2 of seeing how long until I get banned. I'm not banning you. By the way, I just thought of this announcement-wise, and I'll probably do announcements at the end of the stream, but while I'm thinking of it, while I have people here, tomorrow I'll message Jared to confirm, but we should be watching... I'll check to make sure we're doing this tomorrow night or next Wednesday night. But either of those days, either Wednesday, we'll be watching Captain America 2, The Winter Soldier, Captain America the Winter Soldier, in preparation for Falcon and the Winter Soldier for our breakdown on Friday night. Next Friday night. So, whichever day it is, I'll let you know, put it in the announcements, and hope to see you all there. We do a watch party in Discord, so... meant by Twitch, not you. Nice, I watched that at a programming convention. Star Trek. I will wear my shirt. Fair enough. Jared did get me Tony Stark glasses for my birthday, so I've been meaning to wear them. I did not wear them on Friday, and I should have, but I need to find an excuse to wear my Tony Stark glasses on stream. Okay, so then we just want to return data index. We'll just return the whole object. So then here, give please, take please. Here we'll return message.channel.send, get random quote from data. Then we want to do the get quotes. Sending it quotes. There we go. How's it going? It is rough. Just gonna level with you. It has been rough. I am way out of practice apparently with this. But good to see you, Adam. Thank you for stopping by. Okay, let's give this a run and see what we get. Let's close our bot there. Oh, redeemed hydrate. Here's one. Why does it follow me everywhere? .NET, no! Ooh. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm a .NET developer. Oh, shit. That's 2 hydrates. Yo, 300 and goodbye glasses. Damn, can't wait to program without my glasses. I left it 2 years ago, haha. That's fair. I mean, I enjoy it. I like .NET. But, admittedly, it is because it's the only thing I've really learned, so I do need to, like, expand my horizons and learn other things. Doing this helps, doing shit like this, and I've been working on some Raspberry Pi projects in C++, so. Okay, can you close? Thank you. There we go. I want to get rid of that there. Let's clear. What? There we go. It's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to clear the screen down here. I kind of liked it. However, PMs and BAs were the worst, and I got in trouble for working ahead. Oh, yeah. That's fair. I love .NET because I started with Java. .NET is so much better. I agree. Having worked with Java, I agree that .NET is better. It's way more user-friendly. But my architect loved me because I built systems from the ground up and gave to other teams. Nice. I want to learn how to use servos, but the task just seems so daunting. I don't know. It's not that bad, honestly. Because I've done a lot of stuff with Arduino. It's really not that difficult, especially with Arduino. There's libraries that basically handle everything for you, so I would, if you're interested in it, I would definitely look into doing it. I agree. I need them for my D&D board. Oh, Large Cat, Magic, and D&D. You and I are gonna get along great. And you program. You and I are gonna get along great. Feel like you're another me. All right, let's run this again. Say node bot.js. Man, you have good viewers on your dev streams. I do have good viewers on my dev streams. I'm telling you, this is where I get my people. The people just want to watch me be bad at programming. That's what they want. Stop by stream and I'll show you my stuff. My prototype is ready. Just need to make UI and get help on servers. Nice. I will definitely. Hold on. While I'm thinking about it right now, I will go follow you. I'll just pull up your Twitch channel here really quick.
Tasha,
there you go.
did you know Geico could send you hundreds on...
Go away. There, I followed you, and then got a surprise ad from Geico. Same here. That is why I only dev stream for a while. Did you look tired? Did I look tired? I usually look tired. I'm almost always tired. Oh, Adam's message. My only viewer who talks said I look tired. I missed that one. That makes so much more sense. I sleep 3 hours per night. I always look tired. I am anemic. I always look tired. Yay, thanks for the follow. No problem. No problem whatsoever. I will definitely try to check out your streams as well. What's your schedule, Large Cat? Do you have like anything like an actual schedule or like on average when you stream? That's not what I want. That is my message to Riley. Riley's working on an emote. That you get a sneak peek of the emote. There we go. I don't want this. This is not the server I want. There we go. That's what I want. Trying to commit to Sundays. Random time and Thursdays at 6 EST. Fair enough. Okay. I was trying to figure out if I wanted to stream on Thursdays. I probably won't stream Thursdays now, so I can go watch you. However, I have to move Thursday because I'm working a 14-hour. Damn, that's fair. That's fair. But after that, every Thursday. Fair enough. Where is the thonk thonk? Python, I'm sorry. The thonk thonk scares me. It has too much power. I can't get it done. Oh fuck, what is this? Discord API cannot send an empty message. Oh? Oh? The think thonk must be made, think. Oh, the thonk thonk must be made. That, yeah. It has too much power to be Python. You don't understand. I can't bring this into life. The destruction it'll cause. By the way, I need to put it in the info panels down below, but I do have Franker Face emotes, so if you guys have Franker Face installed, you can use those. It's really easy to install in Chrome. It's just a Chrome add-on, but all right, hold on. I got to go through the sea of thonks that Python just spammed. Should I stream making a new mobile app tonight or some Valorant? That's up to you. Sounded like you were making some progress on your mobile app, so I would say do your mobile stream making your mobile app some more. I finished that one. Oh, you finished that one. Okay. Oh, it does say new mobile app. I can't read. My bad. I don't know. It's up to you. Whichever you have more fun doing, I guess. Okay, can't... What? Why did you open on my second screen? Why did you do that? Just need my logo made, so Ashley needs to do that. Then I can watch mobile app the next time you stream. There you go. There you go. Yeah, if you like programming stuff as well, go follow Adam.net Gamer. I'm trying to get him to do more programming streams. Did you check out the? I did not check out the Florida Man for July 24th. I am sorry. Just a bad name. Just. Hey, we love and respect .net around these parts. God, you guys are distracting me. Chat is really active tonight. Love having y'all here. Happy to see chat is popping off. But I just wish I knew what the fuck is going on here. Cannot send an empty message. Oh, it's this. Okay, so it's an issue in the get random quote. So let's do a console.log of data, of count, and of index. See. Thank you, P-Pipeline. Yeet. Okay, so we got that. Let's send quote into the server. Check our message. So we got empty data, undefined, and not a number. Awesome. I love seeing every fucking possible empty and null in JavaScript all on the screen at the same time. LOL, 2 a.m. I may not see many of those. Don't feel too bad. I don't either. I'm usually not awake at 2 a.m. I mean, what? I watch all of your streams, Adam. Okay, so why did we not send... Why did quotes not get anything into it? I guess it doesn't matter. Let's just move this back out. Don't make me fire you. Damn. Damn. And after a message like that, I got rickrolled in my chat. Damn. Y'all came in fourth tonight, apparently. Let me end this. Run it again. Request a quote. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's do this CLS. CLS. That's CLS. There we go. Let's just run get random quote and not run send. What? We'll have to go. I just finished my workout, so I need to spend time with wifey. But you got this. I have free time tomorrow and may stream during the day. Talk to you later. Lurk. Oh yeah, I don't have a lurk command. I need to get a lurk command. But thank you, Lurchcat. I appreciate you hanging out. It's good. Good seeing you again. And I will definitely try to spend some time in your server as well. All right, so let's not send the message so that we get less error messages. Because less error messages just means it's working, right? If you don't get errors, it's just working. Let's do quote and empty, undefined, and not a number. Why? I'm sending you this. I don't understand. I'm gonna end up becoming just a programming and coin collecting streamer. Hey, there you go. You find that niche. You find that niche where that audience is gonna watch you, and you just write it. You know. If it's a hobby you're into, you do it. I gotta figure out why. So my get random quote ran before my read file. I started to dislike streaming Valorant because I get match MVP when I'm not streaming and bottom frag when I am streaming. No, that's fair. That's how I am too. I need to start playing again. Like, I just need to start taking some time on the weekends and play a bit. Maybe that's what I'll do. Maybe Saturdays will be Overwatch and Sundays will be Valorant. That way I keep consistent in both. And then it's just, you know, games on the weekend and programming during the week. That might be good. I might start doing that. Now, problem at hand, why are you running before this other thing? It's probably because read file is probably an async function. So I'm going to read file and then do everything after I read the file. It's probably what I want to do. So let's go ahead and close that. Request a quote. Okay, cool. So now I actually get my quotes and then undefined, not a number. BPython, I have no idea what you're doing right now. I'm sorry. I'm not ignoring you. I'm just very confused. Beans. Now you're speaking my language. Okay, so I don't think it's dated at len. I think it is dated at length. CLS nodebot. Quote. Dated at length is not a function. God damn it, what is it? JS length method. Length array, that's what I want. Length array. It's just a property? You have to watch your async stuff. I spent 2 hours trying to figure out why something wasn't working in my app, and it was just that part ran async and I wasn't awaiting it. Yeah, it'll get me. Oh, it's just a property, it's not a function. If you eat nothing but pure rocket fuel, you will become Rocket Monkey.
Where are your parents?
Okay. Okay, so let's close that. Let's clear. And then... Oh, getting really tired about sending quote. Interesting. Oh, because count is 1. So I probably want floor. I want to do math.floor of that. Ooh, what? Cancel. Oh, have a good night. I'm heading to bed. Figure out your bot stuff so you can make me one. Fair enough, I will. Thanks for stopping by, Adam. Have a good night. Enjoy streaming either Valorant or programming later. Alright, so node.js, exclamation point quote, 1 and 0. Awesome. Wait, data at length. Okay, yeah, the first time it's been 0 both times. It'll probably be better when I get more in there, but I'll probably do coin collecting. I got another coin book today to fill. Oh, nice. All right, cool. There you go. All right, well, enjoy your collecting then. So now we can do this, take this, and then do this and say quote dot quote. And we will we'll actually just put it in quote form. Data index. No, not data dot index. Data index. Dot person. Okay, and then we don't need to say dot quote. We just need to return that. Okay, moment of truth cleared. Node bot.js initialized successfully. Now. Quote. And here we go. Fair enough. Why did I expect it would work on the first try? We got our quote undefined from undefined. Legos are temporary. A10 Warthog is forever. When I was a child, this is actually a real story, I swear. I was playing with this rocket copters that you sling with a rubber band, and it took out a chunk of my thumb. It's okay now. Wow. Thank you for sharing. I like that you specified in parentheses and all lowercase. This is actually a real story, I swear. Okay. Oh, because I... No scare. The only one is in my mental health. I'm afraid of them now. Yeah, that would be enough to scare a person. So we want to quote stop push, and then we'll loop through and we'll say for I in data quote stop push. Var d equals json.parse data I in d equals quotes dot push di. Okay, now let's try it again and say quote I will shit on the floor. Think Link 99. There we go. So that's awesome. So now we need to say now we're not done, sadly. As much as I would like to say, okay, we're done, we gotta do one more. So else if message.content.includes add quote. But before we get into add quote, I'm going to take a quick break, and then we'll be right back. So, yeah, I will catch you guys here in a second. Alright, I'm back. Yeah, remember that trash can that I said was going to fall off my desk? It was wobbling? Yeah, it fell off my desk as soon as I walked out of my room. So that was awesome. Okay, so we were working on add quote. So I don't think this is going to be too difficult. I mean, I don't think at all this is going to be too difficult. Basically, all we need to do is say var quote is equal to message dot content dot substring 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we want 10 to include to forget about the space. But not only do we want 10, we only want till, so you would enter a quote with a quote. So you would say, like, this is a quote, and then, you know, person afterwards. So that would be, the full syntax then would be add quote, this is a quote, person. So we need to check then for the quotation marks. So what we want to do is get index of. I mean, I know it's index of that I want to use, but I need it to find both quotes. Get string in between two quote marks. That's what I want. String.index to search for the first occurrence of quote. Save the first occurrence index. Get the last occurrence using string.lastIndex of. Oh! Fair enough. I did not know that was a thing. Okay. So we want to do if you want, I'll tell you about the time I accidentally set a 12-volt battery on fire. Well, I can't necessarily stop you from telling me it. I mean, I have a feeling all you did was set some like aluminum foil on both the anode and the cathode of the battery. Message.content.index of and then length would be, all right, let's do this. Var I1 is equal to that. Var I2 is equal to that. And then var length is equal to I2 minus I1. And then our substring is going to be I1 to length. And then our var person, since we have I2, is going to be equal to message.content.substring I2 plus 1, and that's it. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, Alicept. Welcome back. Okay, so then let's get rid of. Well, yeah. I mean, we don't need this. We'll just get rid of it. Well, we'll keep it, but comment it. Comment it. There we go. And then we will do. So we need our quotes object. Available globally, I would say. And actually, we get our quotes object available globally, so we might as well actually just load in our quotes globally on the ready function. Seems to me that that makes sense. So what happened was I was super into gold mining at the time because I watched Gold Rush. So I had a little wheel and it ran on a 12-volt battery. The battery was dead, so I charged it while using it. Lo and behold, it didn't work, and the negative charge set fire. I ran to the bathroom, cupped water in my hand, and threw it on the battery. Damn. Nice. I have not done that yet with my little science experiments, so I'm happy to report that. So to add the thing, we're just gonna say quotes dot push, and we're gonna push new object of quote person and date. For right now, we won't worry about the date. I don't. That'll be a to-do. I don't want to worry about that too much right now. This isn't anything fancy, so it's not a big deal. And then we want to do fs.write file. Now, does this give me? Is this going to append? Must use the path to a file. If a URL is provided, it must use the file protocol. URL support is experimental. If a file descriptor is provided, the underlying file will not be closed automatically. Asynchronously writes data to a file, replacing the file if it already exists. Okay. So I want to do path, which we know is quotes.json, and then options. Okay, never mind, I don't need that. We just want to do this, and that, and the callback function. So we need to look up fs write file. Fs write file. If you could choose one thing to get rid of, what would it be? Like, in general? Like, everything in the world that exists, if I could get rid of one of it? Shitty people. Not good people, just shitty people. The world would be better without shitty people. Oh, data is what we're sending it. Okay. My bad. Callback then just returns an error. So data then would be our JSON dot stringify data, quotes. And then this is going to return error, and if we get an error, we will just console.log error. Easy peasy. We like when things are easy peasy, lemon squeezy, and not difficult, lemon difficult. But let's go ahead and give that a try. So let's close out our thing, CLS it to clear it, and then run it. We get our console of the current quotes we have. I'll take that out later. Now if I say, hey, give me a quote, please. Windmills are a dangerous threat. Crunchy rocks. Thank you. Now let me say, hey, add quote. I will fix that later. Probably. From ThinkLink99. I was gonna say, I have no way of knowing if that worked. I need to actually have it respond with it, but... Oh, did I do the wrong... I typed it wrong. But since we know that that didn't... Since we had an error, let's clear the terminal, and then I want to say... I also must ask, what is your favorite Star Wars movie? Mine is Revenge of the Sith. Ooh, that's a good question. I don't know. I want to say Empire. Empire is a great movie, but it's slow. It is a very like the end of Empire is great, and the beginning of Empire is great. Honestly, everything between is really slow. I don't know. I love the prequels. I don't think any of them are really my favorite. Revenge of the Sith, maybe. I don't know. It'd probably be A New Hope or Revenge of the Sith. It's up there. It's probably be A New Hope if I had to, just because it set so much. Like the technology they were working with back at the time, back in '77, was insanely inferior to what we have now. And they were able to create that. So I have to give it to A New Hope just for the craftsmanship of it. Is there really nothing else for write file? Is it just callback? Oh, never mind. Okay. So if there is an error, we can do that, but otherwise, don't. If error, throw error, else we'll say we'll send a message into the server. So message.channel.send quote added successfully, and then we'll run that. Okay, so we know the quote function works. Let's do add quote, and I'm just going to copy paste all of that. Quote added successfully. I'll fix that later, probably. So it did actually include my first thing. So I want to do I1 plus 1 as well. But it did it did get the rest of the message correctly, so that's awesome. If we look at quotes.json. Alright, I gotta go to bed. Nice talking to you. You too, man. Thank you for stopping by. It's good hanging out. I am happy to be doing these programming streams again. I missed this. I missed just hanging out with the community while I program. So, enjoy your sleep, and I don't know. I don't have any plans for tomorrow yet, so I don't know if I'll stream tomorrow. But have a good rest of your day. But there we go. So that's awesome. I'll do one. I'm gonna do one more function. And how long have I been going? 2 hours. I probably won't work on Mac tonight. Unfortunately, I should probably head off too as well. I don't want to stay up too late. So. Oh, I hit the wrong thing. Alright, let me open my chat again. Okay. So that added our quote in, fine, awesome. What I want to do then is do one more check message. And we'll say, we're going to copy this one because it's going to be really small. And we're going to say, else if message.includes show quotes. We're going to not do any of this, not do any of this, not do any of this, not do any of this. We're simply going to for I in quotes loop through all of the quotes. I changed the wrong if statement. And we'll come back and do this create dictionary later because I want to do the quote option to specify person. But that's for a later time. I don't want to get. I'm a little tired. gonna be honest. I'm a little tired. Yeah, that should be good. Yeah, that's the same one. Okay. So for I in quotes, we want to send. We're actually gonna. I'll probably do a function too just to return this string. Actually, you know what? I will do that right now. That way I don't have to retype that string every time. Function return quote string. Quote. And then we'll say that. And we'll say quote dot quote. And quote dot person. So here, instead of saying return that whole string, we'll say return quote string, sending it data index. And then here we will do the same thing. And we're going to return from quotes I. And actually, we don't want to send that as multiple messages because that would be annoying. We're going to do var string var mess on the outside. Var mess equal to empty string. Mess plus equals return quote string. And then send mess. So we send the whole thing as one message. And then we also want to add on the new line character at the end. Okay, so let's give that a test. Go ahead and clear our thing. Run it. And so let's say show quotes. There we go. And so that just shows us all the quotes that are currently in the JSON file. And we can, add a new quote, add quote, They died me. Bipedal dolphin. Quote edit successfully. Now if I do, quote, I'll fix that later probably, and then show quotes. I'll shit on the floor. Windmills are a dangerous threat. I'll fix that later probably, and they died me. So there we go. That's a nice little stream quotes Discord bot. I'll do a little bit more work on that before we fully implement it into the server, because I would like it so that it, well, I guess it doesn't matter, but I'll implement an actual bot commands channel on the idiot server so that that doesn't bog down, the general chats. But yeah. I think that's going to be it for tonight. Like I said, I don't have the energy to do the max stream tonight. Let me check, see if anybody's streaming right now. Because if they are, we'll raid somebody. If not, we'll just hop off and go to bed. Back to Twitch. Any of my friends streaming right now?
30 seconds for.
Didn't want that, thank you. Oh, Riley is streaming right now. Okay, so we'll go raid Riley. And be sure to send a thonk when you get over there. And have a great time. Let me get it set up to go raid. Mossy Magpie. There we go. Alright, yeah, so that's all set up. I will send you guys over that way, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your night. Been awesome. Thank you for hanging out. Talk to you guys later. Love you all. Bye.